area of semiotics, sign and symbols. There's no correlation or immutable deductive laws that state that there's a correlation between the sound or the word we attribute to the physical attributes. I may fidget and I may stutter at times because I'm trying to condense this video down. So linguistic is predicated on a high level of arbitrariness, and we see where on a fundamental level it is governed and is dominated by a sort of evolutionary immutable deductive law, like primarily in two subfields, phonology and phonetics, which is we find yes, receiving, and we find like no has a sort of repulsion. So in transdisciplinary now, I highlight the inefficiency of the top 5 search engine online and how it's incapable of disambiguating primarily ambiguity. So you have cross-disciplinary, you have multidisciplinary, you have transdisciplinary.
Almost evolutionary, the way that the new features that are introduced, they build off of something that you may have had come into contact with before, so it's like it will kind of continue to grow. And starts to take a form, you know, and I can... Now, at that point, I'd probably shut off the alpha lock here, like this. I'd just do that.